Okay, so this is gonna be a little tutorial of our house in Minecraft. Isn't that right, Charlie?
Yep, that's right. And here's our crafting table and furnace. And here's our little walkthrough.
I'm gonna chase Charlie until she doesn't know where I am. She doesn't even know where I am right now. I'm just gonna chase her until I catch up. And I'm gonna hit her. Wait.
You know that's not very nice.
You know that I'm in grade 3 and I haven't got a yellow slip yet for behavior?
Don't care. And here's our little dirt house, and I'll show you it later in the video. Here's our big beds.
Don't care. I already showed you that at the start of the video and you weren't even watching. How dare you?
Nana, poo poo, I pushed you in the house.
Stop hitting me, please. I'm very innocent. I got out. I got out. Now we're at our dirt house.
These are fluffy little beds.
Don't care. I just want to go to sleep. Please leave me alone. Don't annoy me or annoy me. I'm just gonna open chat and say something to you. I'm gonna say, go to sleep. Now I'm gonna send it to her.